Hello students, today we are here with the worksheet number 10 for class 10th with our second chapter acid, base and salt. Students, we discuss about its chemical property with metal carbonate and bicarbonate in last worksheet, and today we see all acids show similar chemical property like they produce hydrogen gas on reacting with metals. It means with all acid hydrogen seems to be common. Now let us see, do all the compounds containing hydrogen are acids? Here you can see two activities. In first activity we take dilute hydrochloric acid and electric current pass through it, and in the second activity you take glucose solution, that is C6H12O6, and electric current pass through it. If you see the diagram students, in dilute hydrochloric acid the bulb start glowing, and in glucose solution bulb not glowing. Why is it so? Okay, let's go. The bulb glow in the beaker containing HCl. Why? Because electricity is conducted through acid solution because of dissociation of HCl. When we add dilute HCl, then it can dissociate into ions, and ions conduct the electricity. There are cation student which are called H positive, hydrogen ion, and hydrogen ions in the acid solution are responsible for acidic property. It means if we want to know which solution conduct electricity, which solution is acidic in nature, then we have to check its dissociation into ions. If it get dissociated into ions, hydrogen ions, that means it conduct electricity and it also show acidic property. Now move on to the glucose solution. What is the reason why the bulb doesn't glow? So reason is same here, because glucose solution don't dissociate into ions, and without ions it also not show acidic property. Clear? Next is our action of acids in the water solution and action of bases in the water solution. Student, HCl gas, if we talk about the gas, it is acidic in nature. Why? Because it dissociate into hydrogen ions. And when we react HCl gas which dissociate into hydrogen ion with the wet blue litmus paper, focus on that point, litmus paper is wet and hence blue litmus change into red. Thus the acidic property is only shown when hydrogen ions combine with the water and form hydronium ions. And if we take action of bases in the water solution, students, bases generate hydroxide ion, that is OH negative, and acid generate hydrogen ion H positive. Bases are soluble in water are called alkalis, like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and bases which are not soluble in water like copper hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So we can say all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Clear up to you? Acid release hydrogen ion and bases release hydroxide ions. Acid release hydrogen ion reacts with the wet blue litmus paper, they change the color to red. And when they react with the water, they produce hydronium ion. Some bases are soluble in water called alkali, and which are not, they are copper hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Now there are some questions for practice, and there is a box on your right hand side, acid to water or water to acid. Student, it is very important to note that point कि what should be added, acid to water or water to acid. The process of dissolving an acid or base in the water is exothermic reaction. So acid is added slowly to the water with constant stirring. If we add water, heat generated may cause burn. So student, if you are working in the lab in your science practical period, then please take the guideline from your teacher so that to avoid any type of injury if you are working with specially acids. If teacher ordered you to add acid and water, then never add water to acid. because when we add water to the acid, large amount of heat is generated, splash, burn out, and which may cause injury. So you have to add acid or base in the water slowly with stirring. Okay. Now move on to our question. First is, why the solution of alcohol do not show acidic character? The same reason that of the glucose. We study in the starting, glucose solution does not conduct electricity because it does not dissociate into ions. Here is your answer. Solution of alcohol do not show acidic character because they don't dissolve to form ions. Okay. Now move on to our second question. Why HCl gas not change the color of dry litmus paper? Litmus paper is dry here and HCl gas is also not in aqueous form. Both are in the dry state, and in dry state dissociation of ion not take place. So second question is our dry HCl gas doesn't produce hydrogen ion. It liberates hydrogen ion only in the aqueous form. Very good. And here neither HCl in the aqueous form nor are litmus paper. So it can't change the color of litmus paper. Clear? Move on to our next question. Why aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Student, here you can notice that the solution is aqueous and aqueous solution dissolve to form the ions. Which ions? Hydrogen ion. So it conduct electricity. Here is your answer. As in the aqueous solution, acid form hydrogen ions which picks electron from the cathode and form hydrogen gas, and it makes them conductive. So they conduct electricity. Last question. Complete the equation for the dissociation of acid and base in water. Here is sulfuric acid, magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen iodide. So let's move to see their dissociation. H2SO4 dissociate into hydrogen ion and sulfate ions. Magnesium hydroxide into magnesium and hydroxide ions. Hydrogen iodide into hydrogen and iodide ions. The last question, why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? It is similar to that of the third question. It is given by mistake. So our worksheets of today about that, the all acids show similar chemical property like hydrogen common to all acid is completed. And here I hope you can easily understand today worksheet that why some solutions are conducting, some solutions are showing acidic property because of their dissociation. And what are alkalis? They are soluble, bases which are soluble in water. And how we take precautionary action when working in the lab. If you like the worksheet number 10 about acid and bases and about the dissociative property, about their conductivity through the electricity, then please like my channel Learning Light, share among your friends and subscribe it if you till can't subscribe to get the more updates about scientific aspects. Thank you.